Hello everyone. Today, we're showing you how to install Dazuma's Nordic Minimalist vertical wall light. The package includes one screw accessory pack with screws and screw anchors. One Nordic Minimalist vertical wall light. Step 1. Remove the fixing screws from both ends at the bottom of the Nordic Minimalist vertical wall light and store them properly. Step 2. Take out the product positioning mounting plate from the bottom of the fixture. Step 3. Place the product positioning mounting plate on the wall where you plan to install the fixture. Then mark the positions and drill the holes. In Step 4, install the 2 screw anchors from the screw accessory pack into the holes one by one. Step 5. Place the product positioning mounting plate in position. Then install the 2 screws from the screw accessory pack into the 2 screw anchors one by one. Step 6. Connect your 2 self-provided push-in quick wire connectors to your ground wire, live wire, and neutral wire, as shown. During installation, please strictly ensure that the power to the installation area is completely turned off. Step 7. Connect the fixture's power wires to your self-provided push-in quick wire connectors. Connect the fixture's blue power wire to your white neutral wire, the fixture's brown power wire to your black live wire, and the fixture's green-yellow power wire to your brass-colored ground wire. Step 8. Place the fixture body back in position. Then reinstall the 2 fixing screws on both ends that were removed in Step 1. The product installation is now complete. Dazuma, your dedicated partner in professional lighting.